Thank you, Jose. You know, the IONIQ 9 is the next step on our smart mobility journey, and it's a big one. IONIQ 9 harnesses the cutting-edge technology and the strengths of our electric global modular platform. You see, at Hyundai, we recognized early on that building an 800-volt platform wasn't just about innovation. It was about making advanced technology accessible to everyone. This strategic decision allowed us to deliver exceptional range and ultra-fast charging. The E-GMP is the same architecture we used for IONIQ 5 and IONIQ 6, only we supersized it for families or for anyone who wants to roll with their crew. In fact, IONIQ 9 is our biggest E-GMP platform yet, with a wheelbase spanning 123 inches, helping deliver massive cabin space and a very luxe ride. IONIQ 9 offers ultra-fast DC charging, 10 to 80% in as little as 24 minutes, faster than your iPhone. IONIQ 9's performance specs are just as remarkable. Up to 422 horsepower, that's good enough for 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. IONIQ 9 may be sleek, but it's capable and trail-tested too. It has capability and readiness for the outdoors, yet durability and performance in challenging conditions. There's terrain mode with settings for snow, mud, sand. Towing capacity is targeting up to 5,000 pounds, and there's a load leveling rear suspension. With the load leveling, the vehicle stays balanced and steady no matter what you're hauling. It ensures a smooth, confident ride every time, so you can handle heavy lifting without compromising comfort or control. There's a unique rear-only HVAC mode, and with the rear-only HVAC mode, your EV becomes even more versatile. You can keep the rear of your SUV perfectly comfortable while avoiding and wasting energy in the front of the vehicle. It saves power by focusing the energy where you need it the most, because we want you to extend your range. With the vehicle-to-load power, you can bring big energy to your next stargazing excursion or your tailgate party. Now, Jose mentioned IONIQ 9's interior is exceptionally spacious. It's also giving that unmistakable luxury energy for those who appreciate functionality, a little sophistication, and EV confidence. The dashboard features a dual-curved 12.3-inch displays, 2 of them. We include the knobs and the buttons where they count. So, when you have climate control and volume, you don't have to search through endless menus to handle the basics. The available first and second row relaxation seats have gotten rave reviews in our customer clinics, offering room and comfort to stretch out while waiting for the kids at practice or any time you might need a break. The center console moves forward and back and is double hinge because we want you to have access from the first row and the second row. There are 100-watt USB-C ports in all 3 rows. So plug in that laptop, that gaming console, you're good to go. The cabin is exceptionally quiet. And credit goes to sound-absorbing tire inserts, the available acoustic laminated glass in the first and second row windows, and our new active noise control road system that it has wheel sensors that detect the vibrations before the noise translates into the cabin. And unlike most 3-row SUVs, IONIQ 9 won't make you choose between your crew and your gear. There's nearly 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind the 3rd row. That's more than our key rivals. And when you fold down the 2nd and 3rd rows flat, you're looking at nearly 87 cubic feet of space. So you can make that road trip, a weekend project, or any spontaneous tailgate happen. And we've still found a way to pack in tons of safety tech, including 11 standard advanced driver assistance features. For safety, we also included a new 10th airbag designed to separate and cocoon the front seat occupants in a collision. Beyond its huge premium cabin, generous power, unbeatable safety and style, IONIQ 9 systemically eliminates the traditional barriers to EV consideration. It's going to come with a NACS port, greatly improving charging convenience by opening access to more than 17,000 additional charging stations. Not to mention the forthcoming IONIQ joint venture, which will add 30,000 chargers. And of course, we'll include an adapter if you want to continue to charge at the CCS stations that you're already familiar with. In addition, Hyundai Home will help you find a vetted installer to install a level 2 charger or mount solar panels on your roof to power a backup battery. You might really want to do that with the IONIQ 9 because it has bi-directional charging. It's like having your own personal power station in a blackout. Easy charging at home, easy charging from all public networks. We really want to work to reduce that range anxiety. And as you'd expect, IONIQ 9 includes over-the-air updates, plus there's Hyundai Pay for safe and easy charging and parking transactions. But IONIQ 9 goes a step further. It's the first Hyundai to get feature on demand. This lets you download new vehicle functions and capabilities. You can have more fun, have more features, or maybe you just want to personalize your IONIQ 9 to better reflect your sense of style. IONIQ 9 isn't just an EV. It is a statement of where smart mobility is heading. Importantly, though, it's not one that asks you to make concessions because it's electric. We think IONIQ 9 is such a complete package that it won't only compete against other 3-row EVs, it'll tempt hybrid and ICE buyers too. IONIQ 9 is more than just that 3-row SUV, it's a game changer. It reflects our commitment at Hyundai to meet customers where they are on their journey towards electrification. We also offer a diversity of powertrains to address a wide spectrum of needs because we want to make sure no one feels left behind in this transition. IONIQ 9 is our testament to our unwavering focus on electrification, and our commitment goes beyond the vehicle itself. We're addressing the real barriers to adoption, charging infrastructure, affordability, support systems to make this transition both seamless and beneficial for all. Now, for a look at how this beautiful singular SUV was sculpted,